What if your skin could respond to aging the way it did when you were younger, without needles and without procedures? Today, I'm talking about a skincare line created by Icelandic scientists using plant biotechnology to replicate something our skin naturally makes less of as we age: epidermal growth factor. I'm going to walk you through BioEffects EGF Power Collection, the serum, the cream, and the eye cream, why this line has such a loyal following, and who it actually makes sense for, especially if you're over 50 and want fewer products that truly perform. Before I show you how these products look and feel on the skin, let's talk about why BioEffect is different, because this brand isn't built around trends or marketing hype. BioEffect was developed in Iceland by a team of scientists who were working with plant biotechnology. Their goal was to create a replica of a human growth factor, epidermal growth factor, or EGF, using plants. EGF is something your skin naturally produces when you're younger. It plays a role in skin renewal, firmness, and repair. But like so many things, EGF production declines with age, and that's when skin can start to look thinner, less resilient, and slower to recover. BioEffects' approach isn't about forcing the skin to change, it's about supporting the skin with something it already recognizes. In other words, this isn't a growth hormone and it's not changing your DNA. It's supporting your skin's natural repair process. One reason this line has such a loyal following, especially among women with mature skin, is that BioEffect focuses on very short ingredient lists and high performance formulas. There's no fragrance, no alcohol, and no unnecessary fillers. The products feel very intentional, very focused. This is skincare for women who don't want a cluttered routine. They want fewer products that actually do something. Before I show you the 3 products I have, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel by tapping the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up so that other people can find this video. If you're already a subscriber but you haven't seen my videos lately or very often in YouTube, then please consider signing up for my newsletter so that you'll be informed occasionally when I have new videos. When you sign up for the newsletter, I'll also give you my best anti-aging tips in a short PDF document. I'll leave the link to sign up in the description box and in the first comment. Okay, now back to BioEffect. I have 3 products from the BioEffect line that they sell in a set called the EGF Power Collection. It includes the EGF Power Serum, the EGF Power Cream, and the EGF Power Eye Cream. Now let's start with the EGF Power Serum because this is really the hero product in the collection. This serum has just 12 ingredients, which is great for a product that targets dryness, UV-induced pigmentation, wrinkles, thinning skin, sagging, and overall skin resilience. Now, the texture of this is lightweight. It absorbs quickly and it layers beautifully under other products. I like to apply this on clean skin and gently press it in to my skin. This is your treatment step. This is where the EGF is doing the signaling work. Now, if your skin is starting to feel thinner, less firm, or just not as responsive as it used to be, this is the product doing the heavy lifting. Next is the EGF Power Cream. This is a deeply nourishing face cream designed to target wrinkles, age spots, loss of firmness, and dehydration, which are some of the most common concerns I hear from women over 50. This cream feels incredibly comforting on the skin without being greasy or heavy. I like to warm it slightly between my fingers and really take my time applying it, especially along the cheeks, jawline, and neck. Think of this step as sealing in the benefits of the serum while giving the skin exactly what it needs to stay hydrated and supported. And finally, the EGF Power Eye Cream. The skin around the eyes is thinner and more delicate, so it really benefits from a product formulated specifically for that area. Now, this eye cream targets fine lines, wrinkles, dark circles, puffiness, and dehydration. You only need a very small amount, about the size of a grain of rice, let's say, and I like to gently tap it in using my ring finger. It feels hydrating and smoothing without migrating into my eyes. I also like to apply a bit above my lip since that area is dry too. What I like about this collection is how well the products work together without overcomplicating things. The serum delivers the treatment and signaling, the cream nourishes and protects, and the eye cream reinforces the most delicate area of the face. You can absolutely use these products on their own, but together they create a very thoughtful, streamlined routine. BioEffect also makes targeted products like their original EGF serum, hand treatment, lip balm, and masks. But I wanted to focus on the Power Collection because it covers the core aging concerns most women ask me about. BioEffect offers my viewers a 19% discount, which is a very generous offer from this brand. If you decide to try anything from BioEffect, you can use the coupon code GLORY, Glory, at checkout to get the 19% discount. Product links and the coupon code are in the description box and also in the first comment. I do want to say this line isn't about instant dramatic changes. If you love fragrance heavy, very sensory skincare, then this skincare line may feel too minimal for you. But if you're looking for skincare that supports aging skin in a smart, science-backed way, and you want fewer products that work well together, this is a skincare line worth considering. If simplifying your routine while still getting real results sounds appealing to you, I think you'll really like BioEffect. And if you'd like more ingredient-focused skincare videos designed specifically for aging skin, make sure you're subscribed because I have more coming. You can check out one of my other videos now by tapping its image on the right side of your screen, and I'll see you in the next video.